So yun, Poco F7 is coming. Yeah, launching na po siya. Actually, may nakuha tayong mga posters online. So pinag-download ko na siya. This one, yan, Wild Boost Optimization. Mga bago, mga possible na expect natin sa Poco F7. Mukhang design talaga siya for gaming as you can see here. And ito, may date na tayo actually. June 24, 8 p.m. GMT plus 8. So this is a few days from now, I guess. Tapos ito, possible design niya. Ito, maganda. This one is super nice. I like this one in the middle. This is okay then, and this one is so simple, but this one has Qualcomm logo right here in the middle. Uy, 50 megapixel OIS. That's nice. Alright, and still it says here June 24 then, alas 8. And we also have here same like the first one. Okay, eto ang chipset confirmed. Poco F7 is using sa mga, meron na yata ngayon sa market if I'm not mistaken, pero hindi pa siya official launch. I believe mga China pa lang yata yun. Wala pa siya officially para sa Pilipinas. But if ever, confirm po siya, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 po ang gagamitin niya. And mind you, that's 2 million Antutu score. Lakas nun! Again, June 24, and what else? Speed Dream, activate the sentence reactor, blah blah blah. The same goes ito. This one medyo closer look sa sa design ng this one in the middle. I really like this one in the middle. Mukha siyang yung Qualcomm exclusive ng mga smartphones pagka magbago sila mag-release ng isang chipset para may matest na agad. This one looks like it. Ang ganda tingnan, no? Merong Qualcomm logo. Oh, nice. It says here limited edition. Right here. Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yan. Let's go. So, abangan natin. This will be a few days from now, the Poco F7 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, and expect na ito ay gaming phone. And tansya ko lang. This is just a wild guess. Probably this will be priced around 20k. Hopefully below 20k. Pero ikaw boss, ano sa tingin mo? Magkano kaya magiging price itong Poco F7 ito? Pag-usapan natin sa comment section. Let's go!